While introducing the format for the LFAR in the RBI circular dated 5th September 2020, which is applicable from the financial year 2021, the RBI has given the objective strategy, scope, and coverage of the LFAR. So, for the bank audit purpose, it serves as the guidance what exactly RBI is expecting from us. So, in this LFAR, the major focus is all given on transaction testing. So we have to verify the transaction from the inception to the finalization level. So overall, the coming to the LFAR, what we have to do is to select the threshold limit. The transaction above the threshold limit have to be examined in a detail and scrutinized and commented upon in the LFAR report. The transactions below threshold limit, we have to verify the system and process which are in the place, whether the control is there or not, then what are the breaches, and we have to comment on a control point of view. And the third important point given in this particular objective is we have to verify the data integrity and the control system. So the major thrust in the LFR should be on data input, because these reports at the branch level, we are filling the LFR at a branch level, but this report is given to the central auditor. Central auditor consolidate all these queries and then he submit LFR as a consolidated to the bank. So what is expected by the central auditors from the branch auditor is that the data input at branch level is proper, so that the data integrity can be verified and the MIS report generated from systems are accurate one. And the last one is the LFR report and the main audit report are the two different things. Any adverse comment in LFR should be considered whether it has to be given in the main report or not. It is a professional due diligence whether this particular qualification which is given in LFR should be considered in main report or not. It's a professional judgment of the professional chartered accountant. So coming to this overall, to sum up this particular point in LFR, so major focus will be on the threshold limit. The transaction above threshold limit has to be verified in the detail one. Start to end, all aspect of that particular transaction has to be verified. The transaction below threshold limit, we have to verify that whether the particular control is in place or not. If it is not in place, then we have to report like this: the particular control is not in place, or there are certain deficiencies in particular control. Third important point is the data input to the system, whether the data is accurately fed in the system or not. And the last one is any adverse comment in LFR should be considered for whether you have to qualify the main report or not. If there are certain only suggestion point or the comments are not so much serious, then they can be put in LFR only, not in the main report. So friends, thank you very much. Stay tuned to our LFR series and also the bank audit series 2024. Thank you so much.